Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the negative format and mounting it straight. This prevents keystone and uneven illumination. Once done, warm the lamp for 2-5 minutes so light output stabilizes, and set a conservative aperture for initial tests. Next, focus critically with a grain focuser and position the easel to the desired crop and magnification. This establishes scale and sharpness. Make a short test exposure to check overall density, because adjustments now save time later. You proceed with a test strip to determine the exposure time. Expose increments across the strip so you see highlight to shadow response. Once you have a base exposure, test contrast filters to balance midtones and preserve highlight detail, because filter choice shifts density relationships. Then, map any dodging and burning moves, short, local light reductions or boosts, to control localized contrast. Make a final exposures sheet, and set the timer and tray sequence so development proceeds without guesswork. You start development using the exact time and agitation pattern you recorded. Consistent motion and temperature produce repeatable contrast and grain. Then, stop the developer briefly to halt action and fix for the manufacturer's full recommended time so the image stabilizes and residual silver is removed. After fixing, wash thoroughly to eliminate chemicals. Use a hypo clear if you need shorter wash times. Finally, dry flat or hang. And if problems appear, excess fog, thin highlights, revisit exposure, filtration, or development time as your troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.